Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to draw these shapes. So let's get ready and let's start. Let's start with the star. Make a star. Good. The second is the triangle shape. The third is the parallelogram. The fourth is the square. The pentagon. The semicircle. The semicircle. Hello guys, now we will color. So let's get ready. As always, you know that we are color the star, the yellow color. We always color the yellow color in the star. This is the blue color and we will color in the triangle. Blue color. Triangle has 3 sides. Hello kids, do you know the 5 sides shapes? The green color for the parallelogram. I love the green color. Now the red color for the square. The square has 4 sides. Now the pink color. Pink color is for the pentagon. Hello kids, do you like my videos? The pentagon. Orange color for the semicircle. I love the videos without the audio, like the song. I love my voice. So my kids, we are done. Let's learn together. Star, yellow color for the star. Yellow color, star. Yellow color, this is the yellow color. Yellow color, star. Blue color for the triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Blue color. Green color for the parallelogram. Green color. Red color for the square. Red color. Pink color for the pentagon. Pink color. Pentagon has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Yes. Orange color for the semicircle. So Thank you guys. Today we are done. See you in next video.